Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Janice Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport Darryl Voss says the multi-million-dollar fuel supply agreement between PBCJamaica and Paria Fuel Trading Company Trinidad and Tobago is a major milestone in strengthening regional energy security and economic cooperation within CARICOM. PBCJ Limited, Jamaica's state-owned oil refiner, sent fuel exports to Trinidad and Tobago, securing a deal worth around US $90 million or 14 billion Jamaican dollars. Economist Keenan Falconer says, if you have a worldwide trade war, a fully blown all-out trade war that will necessarily have some sort of impact on Jamaica, that we will have very little ability to influence or mitigate. US President Donald Trump signed an executive order putting a 25% tariff or tax on imports on all goods coming from Canada and Mexico to get both countries to crack down on illegal immigration and drug trafficking. Canada and Mexico have moved to retaliate, with Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau announcing a 25% tariff against the US. Mr. Falconer told Radio Jamaica News that the tariffs could result in general consumer price increases across the board, which could reduce production. Tariffs don't incentivize countries to maximize on production. Jamaica could get caught in all of that as a small, highly import-dependent open economy where we don't control prices. We're not price makers, we necessarily have to be price takers, he noted. Only 11% of Jamaicans are saving towards their retirement. Financial Services Commission FSC data indicates that the total value of the country's private pensions industry was $782.41 billion, or 23.76% of gross domestic product at the end of September last year. The FSC adds that this increase represents 2.2% when compared with the quarter ending June 2024. Meanwhile, the FSC also pointed out that there was 819 pension plans with 164,775 members, but only 364 were active. That works to a total private sector pension coverage being only 11.68% of the total employed labor force of 1.416 million persons as at the end of September last year. For the trading period ending February 3, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 1,756,045 units traded, representing 20.91% of market sales volume. Media conglomerate Radio Jamaica Limited with 1,100,973 units traded, representing 13.11% of market sales volume. Media and real estate group Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 451,123 units traded, representing 5.37% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On February 3, 2025, Bank of Jamaica reported US $61.35 million purchased and US $74.54 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.24 per dollar, selling the US at $158.26 and buying the US at $157.02. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $5.09 per transaction, with selling at $110.46 and buying at $106.61. The British pound yielded Forex traders $4.58 in profits, with selling at $196.59 and buying at $192.01. For our credit report tip of the day, ready to qualify for a 15-year mortgage but need a credit score boost fast? Over the next 3 months, you can implement these actionable steps to potentially increase your score by 100 points and secure better mortgage terms. Here are some options. First, request a credit limit increase. What you should do: ask your credit card issuer for a limit increase. The action step is to use any available credit wisely to lower your overall utilization ratio. Next, make bi-weekly payments. So what should you do? Instead of one monthly payment, make 2 payments per month. What's this action step? Well, scheduling bi-weekly payments to reduce your balance faster and improve your utilization rate. Then secure a goodwill adjustment for late payments. What should you do? Reach out to your creditors and ask for any goodwill adjustments on any late payments. This action step means that you're going to draft a polite letter or call your creditor this month to request removal of negative marks. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success.